Hi guys! Tonight I'm going to cook Ginisang Sayote with shrimp and tofu fish cake. So, the ingredients that we need are, we need at least 4 cloves of garlic, onion, 1 medium onion, 3 sayote, 1 carrot, 1 cup of shrimp, and the tofu fish cake. So this time we need to cut our chayote. So we need to peel it using this. And then we need to do this to remove the English pa ng dagta. You can see this part. That's the dagta. And slowly take it out. Ha? Ano mo? Ha? Sailor Moon? Then you have to repeat it in other sayote. Olive oil to saute our garlic. The garlic. When the garlic is brown, then we can put our onion. So let's saute until the onion is softened. Then put our fish tofu. Fish cake. The shrimp is already cooked, so we just saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. A spoon of oyster sauce. Just mix it. And put our sayote. After 3 minutes, we can add now the carrots. You can add the black pepper. And chicken bouillon powder. We cover and wait for 1 minute. This time, you can taste. You can add salt needed. So obvious I need to add salt. Then we turn off the heat.